guys, for today's video, ang laki ng buwan. Kita nyo ba yan? It's a moon, full moon. Yeah, it's a full moon. Ang laki, no? Maliwanag siya, oh. Maliwanag ang pagkaano niya. Hindi masyadong kita ang is moonlight. Ay, so moon. Parang hindi klaro yung shape niya. Ayan. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Novo Mix Vlog. Bye bye. See you in my next video.